All right, so here is an example of using Google Trends to find products that you really wouldn't find anywhere else potentially. So if I were to go and I just, it'll give you these related queries. So what I did was just, I thought of what's a cheap material. So anything made out of silicone is going to be super cheap. So that's just the theory. So let me just look up silicone. It's not going to be very interesting. But what is interesting is down here, the related queries and topics. Okay, so we've got, these are in a different language, Blender. See, these are rising, but what you can do to get different results, so these are all within the past year. So what's been rising over the whole past year, but let's say I want something that's gonna pop right now. So we're only gonna look in the more last 7 days. It's gonna give us more accurate data as to what's actually popping right now. So if we're looking at this, reusable silicone food bag, Amazon, let's see. Let's check it out. Okay, these are some, holy moly, look at this, Stasher. What is that, 250,000 in revenue? I mean, they've got 558 reviews, but look at this one right here. 42 reviews, 4,400 revenue. There's some room in this market. Okay, let's see. You'd need I mean, there is certifications on these though, so you need to make sure you get a good one. But perhaps what you could do here then is really focus on having this. See, this is probably something I would actually like because one, I could play around with the colors, I could play around with the bundle sizes, and I could play around with the bag sizes. So let's say now I would go in and think about what are all the different things that people would be using this for. Okay, maybe lunches or freezing. So what you could do then is specialize. Maybe, I don't know, if someone's going to use coffee to keep their ground coffee nice and sealed. So that could be something. Just play around and see what people are buying with these. But this is a very interesting. I would look into this more. I would actually buy this myself. So yeah, we could do that. Like, look at that. We just found that, and that's new and trending. You're not going to find that perhaps by using product research tools and whatnot. So this was the past 7 days. But if we look at the past day, okay, now we can get different stuff down here. Like now we're getting what? A silicone cooking utensils, silicone brush. What is this? And I just did silicone because I know that everything I made out of silicone was cheap. This probably all seem. All right, so yeah, and then you just keep playing around with the different dates and times, and you'll get different queries. But yeah, that's what I would suggest. It's not going to be home run every time, but hey, those silicone food bags, I liked that idea. A silicone snake? What? Snake? Finger puppets? Interesting. What was, give me the numbers, give me the numbers. Well, that guy's doing, look at that. He's doing, I mean, it's 620. Okay, there's probably not that much money there. But he's doing some numbers on those snakes there. All right, well, we'll move on from these. Maybe we could find something else. Silicone egg mold. These are killer. I know that these are killer because in a different video, I don't know if it's posted or not, but like, look at this one. $100,000 right there. 40 reviews. That is crazy. This is new and trending. Wow. That's doing 5,000 revenue right there. With one review. This is a killer market. Now you could do fidget spinner. So what's something that's kind of like a fidget spinner? And oh, here's what we do too. I forgot to mention this earlier. What you want to do is shopping. So not just search, but what are people shopping for? Let's see. Well, here, let's do this again, but with silicone. Because earlier it was just web search. So if we did this, oh, we have different stuff. So now we're getting silicone mermaid tails. Let's check that out. I would not compete in this just because I don't like mermaid tails. I don't know why I would want to do this, but there's probably some good money to be made here. I mean, look at these. There's right there. There's 17. There's only 17 and 83. Whoa, whoa, whoa! $200,000 a month for this mermaid tail? What? Okay, maybe I would go into here. Look at this. This is 25 reviews, 41,000. That's a $500,000 in revenue a year. That's crazy, guys. I don't know if it's a brand name. I mean, it is. But wow, you could see there's mermaid tails. Maybe we'll do one last thing. Let's say in the past day. Maybe this will show us some stuff. Yeah, no. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful. If you guys use it, play around. You can find stuff. We found 2 good products in this. So, yeah, I'm going to go to bed. It's 5:20 in the morning, so I should probably get to bed, but more product research coming up.